Hi guys, today I have my Xiaomi monitor, the A27i. It's a 27 inch as the number says, and the specs over here 1920 by 1080, 100 Hz refresh rate, and it's a very cheap monitor. I got it for about 136 Sing dollars. And let's open up and take a look what is inside, and later I'll test how the screen perform, like the sharpness, these kind of things. So let's open up. There's the power. It's a UK power. Comes with some tools and the screws for the stand and the HDMI cable. That's the base. The base is made of solid piece of metal. Feels good. And some factory report. And this is our monitor. You can see over here at the side profile. Let me show you. This is pretty thin. The bottom is fatter to house the chipboard, all these things. Typical for a monitor with a slim kind of a profile. My HP monitor is the same. Later I'll do a comparison. Okay, let's see what are the ports they have. We have the power button, the DC socket, the HDMI, one HDMI and one display port. Nowadays, I don't think there will be a lot of people who is using display port. Most of the time will be the HDMI. And I think that's all. There's no other buttons or any ports. So let's install the stand. There's an instruction over here to show you how to install. So we install the base first. Pretty straightforward. You just follow the holes in here and then put the screw on. It's a pretty interesting Allen key. You have a screw head and the Allen head at the end. Right, and then you just slip it on. It's just clipped on, and that's it. You can tilt the monitor up slightly, tilt it down a bit, and now let me take my HP monitor for a comparison. Alright, now I have my HP 27F model. It is also a 27-inch monitor. Let's take a look at the side profile. Basically, it is the same as I have mentioned earlier. Thin on top, and then a thicker base at the bottom here, where the module, the motherboard or whatever it is housed below. The difference is that the HP does not have any vents on top for ventilation. The Xiaomi seems to have some openings on top, and the HP has a VGA port and 2 HDMI. So that's the difference. I don't think a lot of people will be using VGA anymore, so it doesn't really matter. But 2 HDMI port is a plus point, while the Xiaomi only has one, and the other one is a display port. So the adapter for the HP is as such like a small laptop adapter, but Xiaomi has a very small form factor where everything is housed on the power plug itself, which I think is good. The cable is also thin, so that you can do a better cable management around the table, but while the HP one has the traditional type of cable over here. So both looks okay. The Xiaomi is alright. One thing I noticed is that there's no buttons on the bottom of the screen to adjust the brightness. While you can take a look at HP's one, it has some buttons below here. What Xiaomi has done is that if you look at this power button, it is like a joystick. You can move left, right, up, and down. See that? That's the way you can toggle the settings for the screen. Right, so now I will switch it on and test. Alright, I've plugged in my laptop and now I'm looking at the screen. The resolution is actually quite good. Not too bad. Not the very sharpest that I've seen, but it is decent for home use. If you are doing photo editing, basic photo editing, I think it should be fine. But if you are doing those professional work, I think it would be better off to get a higher spec kind of monitor. And I think the quality looks good. The video sharpness is decent. It's not too bad. The text sharpness is also not that bad. There's a little bit of fuzziness along the edge of the text, but I guess $136 kind of monitor, that's what you get, and it is already very good in my opinion. So if you are considering this monitor for your office use, I think you can just go ahead and buy it. There's nothing much that I can complain about. So yep, I think that's it. Hope this video helps to make some of your little decision on what monitor to get, a budget kind of monitor. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you do like this video, put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.